Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting reliable hardware and a stable network so your cloud storage is usable and safe. Pick a server with sufficient disk bays and CPU for encryption. Once done, assign a static IP or enable dynamic DNS so clients can reach it. Make sure to isolate storage on its own VLAN or subnet for security and attach a UPS to avoid corruption during outages. This gets you from planning into actionable provisioning immediately so you can install software next. You now install the operating system and the storage stack so data is accessible and resilient. Set up Ubuntu Server LTS and enable SSH for remote work. Next, pick software. Nextcloud for user-facing sync, MinIO for S3 APIs, or SyncThing for peer sync. Configure storage backend, RAID 1/RAIDs or ZFS with compression, and enable full disk or dataset encryption for privacy. Once configured, automate snapshots and offsite backups. This prevents data loss and lets you scale smoothly. You finish by locking down access, validating functionality, and scheduling maintenance so your cloud stays reliable. Harden the server with firewall rules, fail2ban, and TLS certs. Make user accounts with least privilege. Then run end-to-end tests. Upload files, simulate conflicts, and perform a full restore from a snapshot to confirm procedures. Finally, implement monitoring and automated updates and verify backups routinely. If something goes wrong, check logs, network reachability, and disk health first. It usually...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.